Once upon a time in a bustling high-tech hospital, let's call it St. Future Care, a perplexing case appeared. A patient had a baffling mix of symptoms: fever, fatigue, strange rashes, and odd lab results. Even the top specialists scratched their heads. Enter our hero, Microsoft's brand new AI ensemble, the Microsoft AI Diagnostic Orchestrator, or MyDXO for short. The cast: the doctors. Imagine a room with 21 seasoned physicians, 15 from the US, 6 from the UK, working solo with no chance to brainstorm, no textbooks, no Google, just them and the mystery patient. The patient. Every week, the New England Journal of Medicine published a complex, real-life case. These aren't the usual sniffles. They're riddles that stump even specialists. MyDXO, a clever AI system that simulates a full panel of doctors debating back and forth, chain of debate, using the multiple AI models listed. The showdown. They threw 304 tough cases at both teams. Doctors got it right about 20% of the time. MyDXO nailed it approximately 85%, about 4 times better. Not just smart, it was smarter and cheaper. By choosing fewer unnecessary tests, MyDXO cut costs by roughly 20% compared to human doctors. Don't grab the white coats just yet. So are real doctors obsolete now? Not even close. And here's why. AI equals diagnostic whiz, not caring whisperer. Sure, AI can crunch data faster than you can say stethoscope, but it can't hold a patient's hand, interpret emotional cues, or build trust. Study conditions versus real hospitals. The doctors in the test were isolated. No teamwork, no digital aids. In real life, physicians consult peers, textbooks, or AI tools themselves that support doctors, not sideline them. Oversight and ethics still needed. Microsoft itself says this is early stage. They plan clinical trials, safety validations, and regulatory checks before anything goes live in real hospital wards. Bias and hallucinations still bite. Like any AI, MyDXO can make mistakes, especially when data is skewed. Doctors remain essential to spot when algorithms go rogue. The moral of the tale: think of it like this. The AI is the ultimate toolbox. Faster, smarter, cheaper at cracking tough cases. The doctor, the craftsman. They know which tool to pick, when to slow down, how to connect, comfort, and customize. Together, they could form an unstoppable duo, like peanut butter and jelly, but with fewer crumbs and more diagnostics. What lies ahead? Microsoft CEO of AI, Mustafa Suleyman, predicts almost error-free diagnostic systems in the next 5 to 10 years. That means augmented doctors, not replaced ones. Your next televisit might involve a medical AI whispering insights into your doctor's ear. Still, the final call rests with the human. The bottom line: doctors aren't going extinct. They're getting supercharged. The future is a doctor plus AI alliance. Precision plus empathy. Data plus humanity. Stay safe, stay secure, And rest assured, your doctor's still the hero, but with an even sharper sidekick. Thanks for reading, watching, and listening, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this interesting.